Hey everyone, welcome back to Cards Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the limited time free assets on FAB, available until January 27th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So first up, we got this Necropolis Graveyard Kit, which is actually available for both Unreal Engine and Unity. So if you go over and click download, you can download the Unity package here, or just open it via your Unreal launcher. And then we also have this sci-fi mech, which is Unreal Engine only, but it does look really, really cool. Can't wait to see this in game. And then we also have the fantasy props, which comes in Unreal, Unity, Blender, FBX, OBJ, etc. So this one you can definitely import into Godot if you want to, and it is available for Unreal and Unity. Let's go ahead and open these in Unreal Engine to try these out. So let's go over the fantasy props. So it looks really nice. It kind of looks something straight out of Hercules. Overall, pretty cool asset, pretty unique type of style. I like this little octopus thing with these orbs that it's holding. That's pretty cool, along with these giant pots. Even one with a heart on it. This kind of looks straight out of Kingdom Hearts. And we even got some hookah with multiple pipe options. And then we also got this genie lamp. Pretty nice. And more pots, more variations of pots. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out the next asset. This is the mechanic, so you can kind of see it jogging in place right now. As soon as I click play, there's a blueprint error, so maybe it conflicted with something else I imported, but these do look really high quality. I love how it looks. I love the lighting, but yeah, it looks really, really nice. It looks really cool. I love the details on this, very robotic, but yeah, it does look really cool. We also got different colors. So we got blue and green, and I'm sure you can change the material to make it pretty simple and whatever color mix and match you want. Make the metals darker, make the armor or the color red, and so on. We got this little green bit over here. So that's pretty cool. Then, yeah, we got this green guy over here. And yeah, pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and check out the next asset. So this is probably the one you guys have been waiting for. This is the Necropolis. A very nice skylight. Love the moon. Love the shine coming off of it. We got a very starry night with these spooky woods right behind us. So let's go ahead and check out what it is or what's inside the town. Kind of looks like an open world Diablo MMORPG. Very cool, very nice looking assets. We got a bunch of gargoyles and graves and candles. Very, very evil themed, kind of like somewhere where you worship dying, and that's something you're into. More treasure chests, more graves, lots of buildings made of stone. We got this light holder that looks like the hangman thing. Then let's see what is, let's look for something a little more unique. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, nice. We got a tomb with a guy in it. This guy died waiting for free assets. It's only 2 weeks, but you could have made it. All right. And then we got a nice open world. We got this, wait, this is the start. And then we also have this giant church looking building way back here. Oh, and this bridge looks pretty cool. Let's go up as if we are a player in the game. Going up the stairs. Nice. Let's go to church. Actually, it's probably not church. I don't see any like crosses in it. And then bam, we enter and we see a boss fight level. Very flat grounds. Some kind of treasure or loot that should be here. And then we go upstairs. Let's see what is upstairs. Yeah, it's just a closed wall. Imagine coming up here just seeing. Oh, okay. We can go this way. Good. Never mind. But yeah, that pretty much covers the Necropolis, but overall, it is a really cool asset. I love how this looks. Thanks for watching Code of the Road. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.